Another microphone video. The heck are you doing, Beard? Well, it's not just me. People are asking me to showcase these things. So thank you once again for Palladio and the team for allowing me to show off your new product. But this one does not come with the giveaway, everybody. This is just a traditional unboxing, reviewish type video. So, let's get to it. Once more, thank you to the Palladio team for this, and I'm pretty sure this is the brand name. The Beisiwo, I'm going to go ahead and say it's the Beisiwo, that's the brand of this microphone, and you can see what the microphone actually is. It's another Gooseneck microphone. The Gooseneck microphone was the first one I ever did, so you know, kind of fun to do one all over again. Now, this one seems extremely compact considering this is the size of the box, so let's see about getting this puppy open. Yes, I would say very compact because that is the microphone right there. My goodness, either it's just a really very flexible gooseneck or it is that small. But here's the thing. I've been having a thing for manuals lately. The Fine Technologies manuals have spoiled me. Let's see if I just haven't been paying attention to others recently. Alright, this is pretty good. It gave me a little chuckle. If possible, eliminate all room noises like cell phone ringtones or that annoying chihuahua barking next door. Okay, will do. And heck yeah, dude, I love it. I'm not sure if they all do it, but this has 2 pages. Again, 2 pages of Q&A, man. Q&A of like, if something goes wrong, they have answered it for you step by step of what could be, you know, a potential solution. That is great. And of course it runs down the technical specifications and all that. But yes, very good manual. Let's get it out. Yes, it is actually that compact. This thing, again, USB plug and play. And what more can you ask for than that? How about an ergonomic USB plug and play? The last one I did, very much so. This one, even more so. And it's a gooseneck that is incredibly flexible. Way more flexible than the last one I showcased. I mean, that one was good, but this one is honestly phenomenal. Anywhere I put it, man, it's ready to go. It is ready to go. I mean, fantastic. But unfortunately, the fun might end there. Because as you can hear, the microphone doesn't really have that great of audio playback. However, before we go to the negative side, gooseneck microphones, fantastic. USB plug-and-play microphones, fantastic. Ergonomic microphones, absolutely fantastic. LED light indicators for on and off, fantastic. And this one does have one. But yeah, the audio on it is not good. And I know you might be thinking, oh, is there interference somewhere else? Nope, I plugged out every other USB thing I possibly could. All my other mics are disconnected. This is the default and only input audio device that is active right now. And it's not horrible, but it's not great. It claims to be an omnidirectional microphone that's going to filter out noise and obviously unexpected noises like something crashing or anything. And it's supposed to strengthen the main sound. I don't think so, because with the recording, I can obviously see my sound waves. It is picking up something constantly. And again, you might be thinking, oh, it's audio interference from something else. It's not. It's not. Again, I told you, everything else is unplugged. It's just, unfortunately, some microphones are better than others, and this is one of those where I have to say, you get what you paid for. I mean, this thing is only $16. So, yeah, it's not gonna be a top-notch thing like an AT2020. $169, you know? I'm an honest guy, in and out of reviews, on and off camera, and that will never change. So I gotta be honest, not a stellar product here. Doesn't mean the other products from this production company can't be good, but this particular one, that as far as I can tell doesn't even have a name either, is not worth even your $16. I'm sorry. I loved its very simple and compact packaging. I really did. I love how small and ergonomic it is. I do. I like the LED. LEDs, man, they can always get me. Plug and play. I can never speak more highly than plug and play, especially for new content creators. Gooseneck. I mean, always phenomenal. But they're there is a level of quality that people should expect. And even if you're a new content creator too, you should be able to deliver an audio quality that is far better than what this one can do. So I cannot recommend this one. I am sorry. But for now, I am done, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.